Hey, this is Bill Varenkamp with Imaging Spectrum, and I'm going to be talking to you today about putting four 2x6s on 6x8 media. I'm going to show you with the 620, but it can do the same thing with the RX1HS. So just to let you know, you do have to go into the driver and you do have to set it for 6x8 paper, and you have to enable the 2-inch cut. And that's in the advanced option, in the preferences, in the property, in the driver. So you can see all these open right now. If you're using darkroom software, you also have to set that in the driver options. You cannot use the built-in driver. You do have to use the Windows driver. And this does have the same settings. You double click here, go into the properties, go into advanced. And again, it has to be set for 6x8 with 2-inch enabled to do 4 2x6s. Also in darkroom, you do have to create a template with 4 2x6s on a 6x8. You cannot make a single 2x6 and then hit four copies because it just won't work. Now I made this one yesterday. I didn't put the 2 and 3 in the last three because it didn't matter. But anyway, so this is 4 2x6s on a 6x8. Again, they're all vertical, all the same templates and everything. Again, I should have all of the photos in there. It just wasn't important that I had to do it for this demo. But anyway, so that's what you need to do in order to be able to do 4 2x6s on a 6x8. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.